Alright, this is Vinny, Superstar.
No, it's the plane, it's the Superstar.
That's what I meant.
Superstar on 10S with the JustGoFly 5345 200 kV monster engine on a 22 by 13, I think, prop. 22 by 12 maybe.
Alright.
And I'm scared as shit right now. Here we go.
Fly it nice.
Taking off the mic down there.
Oh, I lost it. What the hell is it?
Oh yeah, pretty good power, man. Let's see if it can pull out of a dive. I'll keep it high for a minute.
Yeah, keep it high for a little bit. Oh, I got Mike's plane. I don't see yours anymore. Oh, there it is.
We need the Findor scope.
I can't see.
You did good last time.
Nah, I can't.
Just aim at the approximate zone.
I can't see it at all.
Elevator's a little touchy.
Oh, there it is.
Holy crap, that thing's got good power. I'd love to do, I'm really trying not to do flat spins.
Just fly it nice.
Don't do it.
Like,
At all.
it's okay. It's on there. Oh yeah, oops, daddy. Bring it in.
Isn't even ready.
Go vertical, baby.
Oh my God.
Just got a little bit of power.
Oh, sweet. Oh yeah, babe.
Almost didn't want to come out.
Great.
Good thing I didn't wait till the normal 10 feet.
Yeah.
A little loose. I wonder if anything's shifted.
I think it might be underpowered.
A little bit. We can always fix that by going 12 out. That waffle, man.
I don't know, man.
Crosswind or?
Yeah, you are getting a little cross. All right.
Thank you, sir.